Aloha and welcome to our Kamaole Sands 2206 condo. We are so excited to be able to welcome you here. We have just recently purchased this unit and done a complete overhaul. This is a 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. We're looking into the bedroom. Sorry, so door slammed behind me. We have a full-size California king bed. Room is air conditioned. We have plantation style shutters which give you privacy and also are completely room darkening. And we have a wall mounted TV here. If we turn around, we have the master bathroom is right here with a full-size walk-in shower. This used to be a bathtub stall. And well, there's a whale. I like that print as done by a friend of mine, Beth Cooper. And then walking back out, we head into the hallway. We have some funky coat hooks here. We have a cabinet here with your beach towels and some storage. And we walk in through into here is the second master bathroom, and there's me in the background. Hello, hello, with the shower, and we also have full-size washer and dryer. And then here is the living room with a kitchen. We've completely redone this, all new stainless steel appliances. We have all the small appliances tucked away. We have spices, everything that you could need. And then walking into the living room, we have some more storage, air conditioning in both the bedroom and living room, a TV. This is a pull-out sofa, a queen-size pull-out sofa with a 5-inch memory foam mattress. But really, this is what we all like here. Yeah, it's a little dark to see just the way the lighting is, but we've got an ocean view there under the trees. This is a beautiful complex here, barbecue area directly here, and then the pool is over here. We hope to be able to welcome you here soon. For more information, you can check our website at MauiOceanViewCondo.com and click on the Kamaole Sands link. Have a wonderful day.